In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Brevo. Whether you're managing a small list or a large database, it's essential to keep your contacts up to date, and that includes removing those you no longer need. So, let's dive in and make this process as quick and smooth as possible. First, open a new tab in your web browser and do a search for Brevo. The purpose here is to access the Brevo platform where you manage your contacts. Once you have your search results, click on the first link. This should take you directly to Brevo's official website. Now that you're on the Brevo homepage, log into your account. This will require your usual Brevo credentials, just as you would for any other secure account. Be sure to double-check your login information to avoid any disruptions. Having successfully logged into Brevo, you'll want to navigate to the CRM section, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Here, you'll see a few different options. Find and click on Contacts. This is the hub where all your contact information is maintained and where you'll be executing today's task. With the Contacts page open, you can see a list of all your saved contacts. Scroll through or use the search function to locate the specific contact you intend to delete. Once you've found them, click on the contact's name to open their details page. This step is crucial because deleting a contact requires accessing their individual details, ensuring you're managing the correct entry. On the contact's details page, look to the header area. Here you will find a small icon with 3 dots. This is often referred to as the More Options icon or simply the Actions menu. Go ahead and click on this icon to display a drop-down menu with further actions you can take. From the options presented in the drop-down, select Delete Permanently. This is the critical action that will begin the process of removing the contact from your records. Be mindful at this point, as this action cannot be undone once completed. Finally, you will see a confirmation pop-up appear on your screen. This is Brevo's final step in ensuring you really want to delete this contact permanently, including their associated data. If you're sure about this decision, click Yes, Delete Permanently. This action will remove the contact completely from your Brevo account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Brevo. Keeping your contact list updated and relevant is key to maintaining an efficient CRM system, and regular management like this helps. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay organized and efficient with your contact management.